Right, let's do the Anti-Air Legion mission in DMZ. Capture a SAM site, wait for your captured SAM site to shoot down an airplane, and loot a dropped supply drop. This mission is pretty simple, although a little bit confusing the first time that you do it. We'll zoom into the map a little bit and find ourselves an anti-air turret, or a SAM site. They are these things that look like little rockets on the map. We need to navigate our way across to the closest one. I'll choose this one here and capture it. Though do note that when you do capture it, there will be forces sent down to try and protect it. And when you do successfully capture it, you'll need to wait quite a while until an airdrop would normally come across the map. When one does happen to cross the map, it'll shoot it down and the airdrops will land prematurely. That is, if they come from your side of the map. If the airdrop's already dropped, it won't shoot at the airplane as far as I understand. So you'll need to be lucky enough that it comes plus minus from your side of the map, and that when it does, you're able to shoot it down first. So of course, if you're not able to activate one of these near the start of the game, it's probably worthwhile exfilling and coming back into a brand new game. There's only a handful of airdrops per game, if not one or two, and after some time, these do seem to deactivate themselves, so you may need to reactivate them. That being said, if you run to one and there's another one somewhat close by, it's worthwhile running towards that second one, activating it, and waiting. So I'm approaching the first one up here. I'll need to navigate to the top of this building, in this case. There we go, I'll approach it, and on this little computer, I'll hit F or interact, and we'll need to stay nearby while we're capturing it. You should notice a helicopter or two come by and drop off some more enemies, and when it does eventually activate, the icon will be made red on the map and visible to everyone. I'm pretty sure a message will also pop up on screens for players relatively nearby or even all over the map. We'll see that in just a moment though. There we go, SAM site is now captured and it's now red on the map here. So this will be red for absolutely everyone. It's a good idea to get out of this area or at least go and find relatively nearby SAM sites and do those as well. So this is a mission that requires a lot of patience and you may not get it right the first time you do it. If you shoot down an airdrop and it has the normal orange icon, then unfortunately it didn't count. It dropped at the same time the rockets hit or something else. In fact, you need to look for the white airdrop icons that are different to the default orange ones. Those ones are the ones that will actually give you the reward when you loot them and take items out of them. You don't need to empty them either, they just need to be the correct type of airdrop, so just keep that in mind. Anyways, that's about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Techno Behavior Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!